Now, some people argue that ABIKU is not real, that our ancestors were just limited in their scientific knowledge, that what they call ABIKU was just sickle cell. Well, I think we can't be too sure. In those days, there were instances where a couple will go to Ifa to consult before their marriage, and Ifa will tell them things like Ejenyu Baramu. Isn't that what we call genotypical compatibility today? In the ancient times in Yoruba societies, when a baby dies, the baby is not buried. In fact, we didn't always dig holes to bury people. That happened much later in our history. But even when we started burying people, when infants die, we don't bury them. And that is because, in our own perspective, when you dig a hole and plant the body of a person inside it, you are dignifying that death. And the death of a baby is no decent thing. We don't give them a decent burial. So we don't dignify the unfortunate experience of losing a child by giving that child a decent burial.